Today we're going to be working with the K-Tools face mill. This is the Octa series. 2 inserts, high positive angle. The first cut is a light skim cut, just trying to finish the surface of the plate. Starting in the center and spiraling out, getting a very nice finish here. The high positive angle of the inserts creates a nice finish with low cutting forces. Now we're doing the second side, where we really have to remove some material. We're going full width of the cutter, 10 inches per minute, 1500 RPM, and 50,000 steps. We're taking the second pass here. Let's listen as this 1.5-inch wide cutter goes 50 thousandths deep into a steel plate. The cutter is 1.5 inches wide and we're going full width of the cutter here, but the path we need to cut is 2 inches wide. So at the end, go in, moving in there, in reverse direction to finish the pilot. Overall, a very nice finish, no complaints, a lot of metal being removed.